Hello friends, hello buddies, hello pals, welcome back to another video. So this is literally 20 seconds, not even after I signed off from last week. It's kind of weird doing this. But yeah, same place, I'm going to fish this pool, try and pick up a fish, then we're going to boop around the corner.
Just saw one.
Did you see a fish?
Yep.
Oh, cool. We go around the corner, then we've got horrible bush bash. We've got to break the gear down, do some horrible stuff, try and get through a gorge. And then we're on our way again. Anyway, where did that fish go?
Over there.
Perfect.
That looks like the spot right there.
It does, eh? Best bit of flow, nice deep water over the back, against the wall-ish. That's where I'd be. Nope, not today. This is where we get out of the river for a little bit. Just broken the rods down.
Which way do you go?
Put them in the rod tubes, up there to the left. Oh, this is horrible, this bit. Ow. Now it could be good, and we could be past this in 20 minutes, or it could be bad, and it could take us ages. What is that? Ow! What is catching on me? So yeah, you either get this right, and it's pretty good. Well, you know, good, not great. Or you get it wrong, and it's just terrible. And this is why gear never lasts me very long. This kind of shit. Am I caught on something? Thanks. Oh, this is way worse. Oh. That was terrible. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay, just regrouping.
Bush wire.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got me.
Is it? Nah, we came out just to the top of this. Actually, that was actually pretty good by our standards of getting up and around and through that, but it's just a horrible thing. It's all really tight and closed. Makes you feel real claustrophobic, and there's lots of scratchy, pokey, pointy, sharp stuff in there, and it's not fun. Steaming up. But anyway, we're on the other side of that gorge. We are, I don't know, I get to a few hundred meters below camp, and yeah, it's all good from here. All right, put everything back together. Okay, so I didn't get anything out of that first bit, which is surprising, really. Okay, bloop. So it took me like 4 attempts to get the fly anywhere close to where I wanted it, but it is good. I might be a bit shallow, I don't know. Potentially I'm a bit shallow, but there isn't much flow, so you're getting full depth out of whatever you do. See, that's the only bit of drift you're getting is right on that wall. Might have to start.
I reckon you simmer yourself up there.
Yeah.
There's no fish down here. Ooh.
Isn't there?
No, that's not a fish.
That's not a fish. I think I've got the bottom again. Ooh, that looks like an alright fish, doesn't it?
Great fish. I was about to say, oh no, okay, fine, it's a fish, but it's a small fish.
And then it's not a small fish, it's alright. It's actually quite a good fish.
It's quite a nice fish. I'd say it's 4.5 to 5 pound rainbow jack.
Well, I think it's a jack. I think it's in that 4.5 to 5 pound range, and a rainbow. What a beautiful fish!
Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome, mate. No, you keep it.
Okay.
I want you to have it. How's that beer looking?
It's really good.
That's about bang on, I'd say. Here he comes over, coming over. I've lost him for a second, but he's in the vicinity of my flies.
He's right under it.
Here we go. Here we go. Did he just refuse my flies? He did, didn't he? I'm going to fly change then. Right then. Y'all ready? He's on the far side. You ready?
Yep. Oh yes, now we've got a good cast too.
What are you talking about? I've had some great casts. Coming over. He's lined up. He's
looking.
Oh, it's happening. It's happening.
Rising.
Here we go.
Rising.
Here we go.
He's rising.
Here we go. What the fuck is wrong with this fish?
That is not a 3-pound fish. Try that one more time, mate.
I think I should change my angle of drift, maybe.
Come up the right end. It'll make a bit of a shot. Oh, no, that works too.
It's nothing happening there, really. Oh, here we go. He's coming forward. He's going to eat this. Coming forward. He's coming over. He wants it. He wants it. He wants it. Get ready, everyone.
Yep.
Oh! Poo.
He did eat that.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
We got him to eat it.
Got him to eat it. Alright, camp is made. Now we've got to sort this firewood out. It's got to work. Alright, so these sorts of things are great for like getting the things going. They're kind of dry. Trouble with most things around this time of year is everything's pretty wet. Pretty moist, so it's hard to find dry stuff. Can you hear that? It's pretty good. They burn real good, real quick, real fast. So it helps get things going. So we've got a heap of that stuff. And get just a few more of these guys. And we'll be pretty close to good to go. This is what we've... This is from old stuff. This is new stuff. We're pretty good to go, I reckon. And that's where we're going to make the best fire you guys have ever seen.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It is 3:15. 3:15. Yeah, so we've got like another hour. We're going to go upstream and fish for an hour. Maybe catch another fish each if we can, and then come back. Get a fire going.
Drink some port.
So as predicted, the clouds started to roll in kind of late afternoon, which is actually a good thing for us because you can see a lot better in here when it's not sunny. It's kind of counterproductive, but it's actually true. So it's actually good. Visibility is improving.
That looks huge. Oh, there's another one here. I think that's the guy. No, that's a brown that just...
This guy here, dropping down. Don't know.
That's a brown.
Where's the other guy you're looking?
The other guy is...
Up and where, in that main flow?
Yeah, the flow.
Yeah.
Where the hell did he go?
Good one.
Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go.
Right.
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh, dry.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Off the top. No shit.
Or a rainbow?
It's a rainbow. Oh, he's dropped.
Looks like a nice fish. He ate it on the way up, or you flossed him down.
I think I flossed him down. Yeah. Oh, it's good fish. Yeah, nice.
Hold up, bro.
Nice, man. Good spotting, mate. Fishing. So I don't have this on film. Sorry, everybody.
Oh, I'll just have to come to my channel. Dude,
That's the fish of the day for sure.
You reckon?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, man. You're fucking.
Apologise to Alex's audience.
You're such a knob.
I thought you were like right here.
You really dropped the ball on that one, mate.
Right, I apologise to all of Alex's
Viewers.
viewers, subscribers. I thought he was right behind me. I just started fishing and I caught a fish.
Fish of the day. It's a really good fish.
Potentially. So yeah, big fat hen.
Great fish.
Great fish, awesome.
Yeah, that's a proper fish.
Alright, see a fish.
Ooh, out of here.
Cool, bro.
Nice one, bro. So we went upstream, caught a fish each, then we just turned around. What time is it, do you know, roughly? 3:34? 4 o'clock, so still pretty early, but it gets dark early and we've got some stuff to do here, camp chores, then we'll get the fire done early and then settle down, drink some port. Really, we're just excited about drinking port, so, you know. Chores, comfy clothes, fire. Unbelievable, how do I lose that straight away? Oh, there we go. I want to try this thing out. I got this thing from, you heard of Tight Lines? It does like water bottles, that's where I got this thing from, and that bladder too. So I want to try this. It's like a camp water bottle thing. It's like 4 litres, fill it up, and you got your camp water, folds down. It's really good, because one of the...
That's a good idea.
Yeah, it's one of the most pain in the ass things is having to go back and forth to the river all night. Food, water, that kind of stuff. So we're going to fill this up now from these filter water bottles, and then we should be good for the night. Genius. So we went to the river, and this is what the finished product looks like. That is brilliant. 4 litres of water in that. So we've got 4 litres of water in there, and then our 2 filter water bottles, so maybe another litre there. So that should do us quite easily for the whole night and the morning. So that's pretty good. I like it. Well done, Tight Lines. I'll leave a link in the description below if you like the idea of that. Check it out. Okay, so I can't move much because I'm going to lose the light in my face, but I thought I would just sign off. We've eaten dinner, we've got a fire going, it's all good times, some port going, there's some whiskey around, and a few hours before we need to go to bed. I'm not as drunk as I look. I look terrible. I'll see you next week for the last part of this trilogy. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a good week. Catch you later.